Good morning guys, and welcome back into our training. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a monetized YouTube channel. For you to create a monetized YouTube channel, you need to have an email account. Then we create a monetized YouTube channel from any browser, either Google Chrome or any other browser, not from the YouTube app. In our situation here, we are going to use Google Chrome as our browser. So let's proceed. I enter my Google Chrome. Okay, these are my emails mentioned here. I'm going to use this to create the channel. After entering into your browser like this, you should make sure this your email here, this your email icon should be mentioned. You can click there and check. If this is not the email you want to use, you can change it and take the one you want to use. Make sure the browser should be on this email. From then now you come to the search bar, type www.youtube.com. Now you come to this interface. You take this face www.youtube.com, click on it. You come here. From here now you come to these three lines here. These three lines. Okay, from here now you come to these three lines on your left. You scroll down. Down to settings. From settings, take in. From there it will bring you to this interface. You come here to create a channel. Is it here? Create a channel. Take create a channel. Now here you type the name of your channel that you want to create. For example, here I'll type computer training. Computer training. And down you type your handle, and sometimes when you type the name, the handle will be created automatically. You come down here to create. Take create. Okay, from here now you have created your channel, and this is a place where you have to do your settings. Without the settings, your channel will be useless. So we'll come here to customize. Yes, from this page now we go to settings. Here, follow my mouse. Go to settings. Here you make sure on this general, make sure your currency should be on US dollars. Make sure it should be on US dollars. If not, you click on this drop down and select US dollars. Then you come back to this channel. You click on channel. This way you are going to take your country, your residence. You select your country and make sure you select a country that is under YouTube monetization. For example, Cameroon is not eligible for monetization, for YouTube monetization. So here we are going to select Nigeria. But if you are in a country that is eligible for monetization, that's good. You can take your country, either USA, France, or any other. But for Cameroonians, make sure you take Nigeria. Okay, you select Nigeria. Then you come down here to save. Come down here and save. You go back again to settings. You have saved. You go back to settings. Now we will not more take general. We'll take channel. Go on channel. From here, now you have seen these are residents, Nigeria. You go now to upload defaults. This way you are going to give the title that describe your video. So the title of your channel. Then here you give the description. So for the reason, let me pause the video and type. Okay, for my title, I've given Computer Fundamentals for Beginners. And for the description, both your digital skills with our computer training, then basic master MS Office, Microsoft Office, stay safe online, and more. So I'll save the settings. Okay, now we'll go for the third time for the settings. We'll still take. Now we'll go to upload defaults. This upload defaults. Now for this description, we'll not continue on under basic. We'll come to advanced settings, not basic again. This is basic. Come to advanced settings. Now here, make sure on this license it should be under standard YouTube license, not command. If it is in command, you come here on this drop down. It should not be on common, it should be on standard license. Then you can select your language that you will be using in making your videos. So for me here, I will select English. So I'll take English. And then for this language, English. For category, on category, make sure you should use, you can select your category. For me here, I'll take education. And then come down here. This language is the same things. And for this one, it's optional. You can click and check. From here, you can select the ones you like, but it's optional. It's not, if you don't like anything there, you can just allow it like that. Go back. Okay, from here, all of these ones are optional. You just allow them like that. Come to save. Click save. Okay, after that, you come back to these settings again. Yes, you come back to these settings on default. I forgot to show you something here. You scroll down here on visibility. You have to put it either on public, private, or you select the ages of people who can watch your videos. But I prefer the public. I'll put it on public and then save. After that, that's the last settings. For here for these descriptions, it's the same thing. You can mention the same description that we did the other sites. On this page here, if you like, you add your email here, and once you add your email here, just know that the email will be showing on your profile, so people might be able to use the email to contact you. Now you come here to generate. They will need an image here. So these are the criteria of the image. The image must have an image that is 150 x 150 pixels is recommended. Use a PNG or GIF, no animation, BMP or JPEG files that is 1 megabyte or less. So for this image, you make sure you use a good image, because if you don't succeed in uploading this image, even if you create your videos, you will be unable to publish them on your on your book, on your page. You will be unable to publish them. So you can even use AI or ChatGPT to generate the image if you don't have any. You come here to upload. Once you take upload here, it will take you to a gallery. So here's my gallery. I will take pictures. Okay, this is the picture I want to use. Okay, this is the picture I want to use. I'll take done here. You see, they have accepted the picture. This is the picture here. And if your picture is not okay, they'll keep rejecting it. They'll reject the picture. But if they accept it here, means the picture is okay. Then you come here, up here, to publish the picture. That's it. Now you publish the picture. Yeah, chain is valid now. You have successfully created your channel. Now you go to view channel here. Use view channel. Click on view channel. So now this is my channel. My channel has been created successfully. This is my channel. If I like, I can edit it and put a picture that I like on my channel. So follow the steps in order to create your channel. After creating your channel like this, now you can log in to your YouTube app and start uploading your videos with no problem.